This video will demonstrate how to scrape TikTok products to publish to multiple TikTok store in bulk. For Seller Scraper tool supports simultaneous scraping from multiple platforms and multiple stores, continuous scraping or direct jumping to the publishing page after scraping, automatic matching of product categories and automatic generation of variant information. In addition, there is no charge for using this extension. Search for Seller Product Scraper in Google Chrome Web Store and click Add to Chrome. Open any product description page on Amazon. After clicking Scrape to For Seller, you could respectively select the TikTok platform and store where you want to add listing. If you choose Save as Draft, scraping success will be displayed. You could open any other product detail pages thus to scrape first or directly click For Seller, it will jump to the TikTok draft page. You will see the different draft listings you want to add to multiple TikTok store. Check the grid beside the image, all the listings will be selected. After clicking Publish in the action bar, For Seller will publish all the listing to the TikTok platform automatically. If you want to customize product description, tap on Edit. Here is a column to re-edit as your demand. Click Save and Publish will finish adding listings to TikTok. If you choose Edit after scrape, it will jump to the TikTok draft page directly. Check the grid beside the image. After clicking Publish in the action bar, For Seller will publish all the listing to the TikTok platform automatically. If you want to customize your product details, tap on Edit. Here is a column for you to re-edit as your demand. Click Save and Publish will finish adding listings to TikTok. After the product is successfully published, it will be found here under the TikTok Published Listing section. That concludes our introduction, how to scrape TikTok products to publish to multiple TikTok store in bulk. There are more details and examples available within For Seller Online Help Center. If this resonates, leave a comment, and feel free to follow for more useful and latest sharing. See you in next video.